Welcome to Vlogmas Day 14. Today is a new day and everyone in this household is falling apart. The last child has officially gotten sick, so she is getting lots of snuggles from Grandpa, and we're just gonna stay indoors today. I think we're gonna focus on decorating the kids' Christmas trees, my Disney Christmas tree, and maybe, depending on how people are feeling, in the evening we're gonna go drive around a really popular neighborhood here in Tampa that just lights up all their homes, and you can see them from the car. This way we don't get anyone sick, because the cough and mucus is real. So because everyone is sick, I think we need something cozy to eat tonight, and it's gonna be a roast beef with carrots and potato. I feel like that's just, comfort food, warms up your insides. We're gonna also maybe do some rice for the kids because they're not a huge fan of potato, but they do enjoy rice. And so we're gonna add some rice to that. And yeah, just try to organize our garage. It's actually pretty warm today. It's 76 degrees. And in the evening, it gets kind of cold. So I think we're gonna focus on just rearranging the garage, get our gym area ready to go. As you guys can hear, the cough is very strong. But the plan is to get that gym ready to go for the new year so that we can start working out in the gym. I think I have most of the things for the roast beef. I'm not sure. I have this meat that, it was like a big roast beef, but then we cut it into little pieces. I think I'm just gonna place it all in one piece of cookware instead of like that huge big roast beef, and it'll tenderly fall apart with time when I do cook it. But yeah, this is the situation at our home. Everyone's sick, so it's gonna be a very cozy at home kind of vlogmas today.
I've never cared much for winter. Ice and snow leaves me totally cold. But something's up each year in December. I love it like a miner loves gold. It's never about the presents, the turkey or the Christmas tree. It's all about that glow in my baby's eyes that lights a fire inside of me. My baby's just crazy about Christmas. Just listen to that kitten, the way she purrs. There's something in the air this time of the year. She's crazy about Christmas, and I'm crazy about her. Oh, the deeds that I do to please her, ain't a thing that I wouldn't do. I give my babe whatever she wants. I catch a reindeer if she wants me to. My baby's got a thing for Santa. She blushes and she giggles whenever he's near. I grow myself a beard in time for Christmas. I keep it throughout the year. My baby's just crazy about Christmas. Listen to that kitten, the way she purrs. There's something in the air this time of the year. She's crazy about Christmas, and I'm crazy about her. About Christmas, I must admit it's starting to grow on me too. Baby's crazy about Christmas.
officially cooking. And I wanted to show you guys this thing that my dear friend gave us, and I'm so excited to use. We're already late to the game because it's 12 days till Christmas. It's already officially, I guess, 11 days till Christmas. But it's this cute Harry Potter hot chocolate advent calendar. And what you do is you open up, put water, you grab the little wand that comes with it, and you stir it and it changes colors. I thought that would be so fun. I think the kids are gonna love it. Well, the joke was on me, my friends. We ended up doing absolutely nothing. No chocolates, no tree decorating, nada. Everyone was definitely very sick, and their health comes as a priority. But as you can see, this came out amazing, so I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. All right, my friends, I am going to be ending this vlog here because everyone is very, very sick. Like, we haven't even done half the things we had planned to do around the house because all they want is hugs and kisses and cuddles. So their health comes first, and that's what we're gonna do. So, like always, remember to dream big, be brave, and explore life. Until next time.